didn't actually work. Hi folks, my name is Mr.Levine, and today I'm going to do some magic using physics, because physics is basically magic anyways, right? So in front of me here, I've got a plastic stand with a bottle cap on top of it. Nothing special, I just need something for this to swing on, because I'm going to use electrostatic forces or telekinetic forces, whichever you'd rather believe, to move this. So this is a piece of plastic, which I'm going to charge by ripping electrons off of the fleece. So if I rub this on the fleece, the friction forces will rip extra electrons onto the PVC pipe. I hear like crackling staticiness going on, so that's good. Now I can balance this nicely right here. All right, now that end should be charged, so when I go near it, because it's charged, it will move because there's electrostatic forces going on with that charge. Now I'm not making contact with it because that would ground it, that would neutralize it. But what's happening is if that's got a negative charges in me are going to try to move away. So if negative charges in my body are moving away from the negatively charged rod, now the end of my hand is positively charged and opposites attract. So I can use that electrostatic force to pull this, and that's why I have a small pivot point, so there's not a lot of friction. But that electrostatic force is actually enough to move this object. This is also a fun thing to do at a restaurant. All you need is one of those disposable plastic straws. When you take it out of the paper wrapping, it's actually charged. Or you can just use a napkin to do the same thing I did with the fleece. By rubbing that together, you'll get a charged piece of plastic like I have here. And if you put that on a salt shaker or something small, it'll do the same thing. Now, if you make contact, it gives the electrons a chance to balance out. Now there's no charge. Both things are neutral. Because they're connecting to ground and I'm just canceling out the charge on this, it's not charged, I'm not charged electrostatically, and it's just gonna exist. So that's been a little bit on electrostatics. Hopefully it's been an interesting demonstration, maybe something you can try at home with a straw or a giant piece of PVC and fleece if you happen to have those around and have some time. So hopefully that was enjoyable. Next time I'm going to try to light something on fire when we talk about electronics. I have cats and they destroy things.